In today's video, we're diving into a common problem many iPhone users face: overheating. Let's explore some causes and solutions. First, always ensure your iPhone's iOS is up to date. Software updates often include important fixes that can help with overheating. Next, managing your background apps can significantly reduce heat. Swipe up to close apps that aren't in use. Adjusting your screen brightness is crucial. Higher brightness settings can lead to increased heat. Lower it when possible. Removing your iPhone's case while using it can help dissipate heat more effectively. Limit resource-heavy activities like gaming and video streaming, as these can cause your phone to heat up quickly. Next, check your location services. Disabling unnecessary apps can help lower your device's temperature. If overheating continues, consider resetting all settings without losing personal data. It's a simple and effective solution. If all else fails, it might be time to visit an Apple store or a certified technician for hardware concerns. To recap, keep your iPhone updated, manage your apps, and monitor your usage. Stay proactive in keeping your device cool.